喺今次嘅事件裏面，我哋消防處共調派98輛救護車前往協助救援。當中，我哋處理咗123名傷者，有51名傷者於現場證實死亡，而其餘72名傷者，我哋亦都將佢送往醫院繼續接受治療。是次行動中，消防處有8位消防人員受傷，佢哋全部情況而家係穩定嘅。好不幸，我哋有一名消防同事於救援期間英勇殉職。由於事件涉及大量傷者，消防處已經聯絡醫院管理局，啟動臨時機制，將所有病人送往全香港嘅各區醫院繼續進行治理。多謝各位。
當場死啦，咁送院之後死亡嘅嗰個人數係幾多？唔該。
Actually, our major challenge is the temperature is very high in the fire ground, and the inside layout is very complex because the scaffolding is collapsed, and our firefighter need to conference the high temperature to proceed to the fire ground one layer by one layer. It is very difficult for us, and the area of the fire ground or the domestic unit is not big, so we need to deploy a limited or optimize our manpower to perform our firefighting and rescue operation. In short, we are trying our best, and we will not give up any chance to pick up to save life.
最新即係可能嗰個難度會喺邊度啦？會唔會即係可能會有啲突然間預測唔